Okay, hi everyone. So this is how my nails are looking, and now I'm just going to go in and start filing every single nail, get it nice and rough for application for the Gel X. Next, I'm going in with this little tool. This helps to remove any dead cuticles and also push it back. I really like this tool. You have to be pretty careful with it because you can go too deep and remove too much of the cuticle, but I just like to go nice and slow, and I think it's pretty easy. Okay, so next I'm going to go and spray isopropyl alcohol all over my nails and then scrub them off just to make sure no dust and grime is left behind at all. And next I'm going to go ahead and go in with primer, and I'm going to prime my nails and also the Gel X nails. So just do a light coat on all of the Gel X nails. I've already sized them out. These are the Appraise, I believe they're the medium coffin or long coffin. I'll have it listed down below. Everything will be listed in the description box. And then I go in with dehydrator on my nails, then primer, I apologize. And then I'm using the Model 1's nail glue. I start putting it in the nail, and then you kind of want to go a little bit at an angle and like right to your cuticle pretty much, and then put it in the lamp. This is to flash cure for about 30 seconds. And then if you do have any spillage, I just go with some isopropyl alcohol and a little brush and remove it from underneath. But once you get the hang of this, a lot of times I really don't get any spillage unless, I'm just being lazy or just not really paying attention. But next I'm going in with the Beetles gel. This is the black polish, and I did show a little picture of the inspo pick, so this is kind of what I'm going for, but I kind of decided to make it my own because I like the inspo, but I wanted to do just like a touch further, I guess you could say. So here I am just painting with the black gel polish, and I'm pretty much just going to let it play out from here, and I will go ahead and interject whenever I'm showing you something new. But here I am just painting 1 to 2 coats each color. I wanted to show you this part because I have done auras this way by putting a matte top coat first and then curing it for 60 seconds or 30 seconds and then adding a gel polish and then using a sponge. And that is good sometimes. I like that for more of a diffused look if you're trying to go for something a little bit more low key. But I ended up going with a different technique and I used the blooming gel. I found that it works the best. I was trying to kind of use a brush to spread it out, and that I did that for some of them and it looked nice, but I think the blooming gel is definitely the best way to go. Here I am showing you, I was trying to do the sponge and then boo-boo, you know, I was just like, you know what, I'm going to try the blooming gel, and it ended up looking way better. So you're going to see that play out. But there's so many different ways. Like I did use a brush for this and it looks really good, but the other ones I'd use blooming gel, and you will see I go back and forth with the brush and blooming gel, and they both ended up looking cool and turning out nice. But it just kind of depends on what your preference is and what kind of look you're going for. But yeah, in the end I was happy with how they came out. They were each unique, but you'll just have to figure out what works for you. I'm not wanting to invest into an airbrush machine yet, but because I don't mind the other methods and it's fun to play around. So if you've never worked with blooming gel before, the more you put on, then you put the gel polish, the more it will spread. And I like to move my hand around to help it spread a little bit more. And then if you do like a lighter layer, then it's not going to be as spread. It's not going to bloom as much. But it just depends on what kind of look you're going for. So do you see how it's kind of diffused out with the green? I really like that look. I think the blooming gel was a nice idea and a good touch. can see, I kind of just played around with the different types of looks I was going for, the different types of designs, each one with the blooming and the brush, going back and forth. And I really love how the right hand turned out more than the left, even though I do love the left hand as well. But you'll see this is definitely my favorite hand, and I think it's so cool and unique. I definitely will be doing something like this again. And I just kept going back and forth and layering. So it's really fun to do. Honestly, I highly recommend this. I did lose some footage of the rest of the nails, but here I'm just showing you I'm going with some rhinestone glue and then just adding on some of these silver studs, and I just add a few or a couple to each nail, and it's like the piercing kind of look. I absolutely love how these came out. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.